Crypto whales are buying these three altcoins heavily right now. Can Solana overtake ETH? And could we be back at Bitcoin all-time highs in a couple of weeks? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, it's not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. UPTOBER is coming, and we have the best deal for you. Get a 12-month Altcoin Buzz Alpha subscription for only $100, a massive 40% discount by paying with crypto. No wallet connection or KYC required. Now, what do you get with an Altcoin Buzz Alpha subscription? You get 70 plus calls per month, including gems, buy-sell calls, alpha and alerts, portfolio updates, strategies, IDOs, airdrops, and Q&As. All you have to do to join is click the link below, connect to Discord, choose the yearly plan, click Buy Now, enter the code UPTOBER, and pay in USDT on ByDFI or Polygon. This flash sale is only valid until Saturday night, so act fast. Join us at Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. According to one crypto analyst, Bitcoin could be nearing a test of its all-time highs, but how quickly traders will take profit remains uncertain. BitGet chief research analyst Ryan Lee says should history repeat itself, Bitcoin is likely to retest its all-time high above $73,000 from the third week of October into November. Lee explained there are signs of a Bitcoin breakout imminent in the coming month, but the price action may get choppy. This bullish breakout will likely be accompanied by occasional cool-offs, in that the sentiment of investors leading up to the United States election in November will play a significant role. He added the intensity of these sell-offs might vary, depending on investors' disposition to the coming election. Lee noted that optimism among traders has increased since the U.S. Federal Reserve cut rates by 50 basis points, and the People's Bank of China followed with a 30 basis point cut, making riskier assets more appealing. He argued that if confidence builds around the possibility of a pro-Bitcoin president, traders might hesitate to sell, worried they could miss out on a larger profit opportunity. He said they may want to lay out their bets early to capture future gains, and this sentiment will likely help Bitcoin record a bullish uptick rather than sell-offs. And on September 18th, Nansen said that a Donald Trump victory would be bullish for crypto in the United States. However, if Kamala Harris wins, it would be bullish for crypto outside of the US, as crypto firms might relocate from the US. During his election campaign, Trump has consistently supported the crypto industry, and speaking at the Economic Club of New York on September 5th, he reaffirmed his commitment to making the US a global crypto hub. Chainlink, the decentralized Oracle network, has witnessed a remarkable price breakout, primarily driven by significant whale accumulation. Over the last 6 weeks, whale investors have added over 8.5 million Link tokens to their holdings, leading to a renewed bullish sentiment within the market. This surge coincides with increased on-chain activity, making Chainlink a focal point for investors seeking long-term growth. As the 14th ranked cryptocurrency by market cap, Chainlink has seen its price rise by almost 9% relative to Bitcoin in recent days. According to data from Sentiment, a whale transaction worth over $1 million surged in September, and on September 19th, Chainlink recorded its third largest daily token circulation spike of the year. This surge often signals renewed interest from both retail and institutional investors, and Brian Q, a crypto analyst, noted in his report that the reactivation of dormant tokens is typically a bullish signal, as it reflects renewed confidence among long-term holders. This activity indicates that many investors who had previously been holding their Link tokens in wallets are now engaging with the market again, further strengthening the price rally. Additionally, Chainlink's net realized profit and loss has shifted into profitable territory, showing that many investors are now in the money, which reduces selling pressure. Render, a decentralized graphics processing rendering solutions provider, is seeing a notable price recovery as large wallet addresses aggressively accumulate the native token. According to market intelligence and on-chain insights provider Sentiment, Render is showing recovery buoyed by large address accumulation. This comes after the artificial intelligence token bottomed out near $4.60 on September 18th, with bears rejecting bulls' attempt to push higher around $5.35 a week earlier. Most altcoins experience significant volatility during this time, with related tokens such as BitTensor soaring. Gains for Render have largely been muted, but this bullish shift amid whale accumulation has seen its price rise by more than 33% over the past week. Whales and sharks took advantage of the recent pullbacks to buy low, and for Render, this was a notable occurrence, as pointed out by Sentiment's analysis in a post on X. In the past 11 weeks, these large wallets have accumulated over 20.5 million Render tokens, valued at more than $126.3 million. During this aggressive accumulation, whales and sharks have added 3.7% of Render's total supply to their holdings. Rootstock, the largest and longest-running Bitcoin Layer 2, invites you to their world tour. Explore their network by joining their Galaxy Rootstock World Tour campaign. This involves visiting 12 Rootstock partners, and there are $33,000 in prizes and NFTs up for grabs. The campaign lasts until September 30th. Each of their World Tour destinations has a quest, and by completing quests along the way, you'll be rewarded with a Rootstock NFT and air miles or points. With each point, you can win $3,000 in RBTC. So come September 30th, there will be a raffle, and more points means more entries. Each partner will also do a $3,000 giveaway for 10 lucky winners at the campaign's end. So check out Rootstock and the World Tour campaign with a link down below. The price of Layer 0 has increased by over 13% in the last 24 hours, and it comes days after the Layer 0 Foundation announced the end of Layer 0's airdrop claims and disclosed that it would reallocate unclaimed tokens to its active users. On September 20th, the Layer 0 Foundation announced that the period to claim the first Zero airdrop had ended, and in the statement, it noted that the unclaimed tokens will be redistributed. However, this time, the project is only allocating tokens to active users who claimed Zero during the first airdrop and transacted on the chain afterward. Data from Santiment reveals that crypto whales have increased their Zero holdings over the past few days. Specifically, whales with 10 million to 100 million tokens accumulated an additional 10.26 million Zero tokens. Additionally, those in the 1 million to 10 million token range bought about 300,000 more tokens. If this trend continues, Layer 0's price could keep climbing, possibly pushing it closer to its all-time high. A September 25th report from VanEck predicts that Solana may reach $330 and balloon to 50% of Ethereum's current market cap, driven primarily by Solana's superior speed and transaction processing metrics. The report cited Solana's throughput, which can process thousands of transactions per second, and is 3,000% higher than Ethereum's TPS. Solana's daily active user count is also 1,300% higher than Ethereum's, and transaction fees are nearly 5 million% cheaper on the Solana network. Solana's advantage in speed and cost efficiency gives it a significant leg up on Ethereum for payments and remittances. Stablecoins, in particular, were noted as major drivers of decentralized finance activity that could leverage Solana's superior processing metrics to pass on cost savings to users. Earlier in September, VanEck released a report outlining factors suppressing Ethereum's price, and according to VanEck's analysis, Ethereum's poor price performance is mainly driven by value extraction from Ethereum Layer 2 networks. The explosion in Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solutions followed changes made by the Duncan upgrade in March 2024, which massively reduced transaction fees for Ethereum Layer 2 networks. The sharp growth in the second layer projects and the massive reduction in transaction fees create a situation in which Ethereum Layer 1 revenues collapsed by 99% since March 2024. VanEck also specifically cited a user shift from faster Layer 1 networks like Solana and Sui as major factors suppressing Ethereum's price and transaction revenue. According to the VanEck report, Ethereum still enjoys a first mover advantage, but that advantage is quickly eroding.